So when it comes to quartz countertops, what can quartz withstand and what can it not?
So for everyday use, it can withstand heat up to like 300 degrees, meaning you can pull something out of the oven. You can set something hot on it. You can put a crock pot on it. It's also very scratch resistant because it's a really hard surface. Obviously, it's not indestructible. What it can't handle is thermal shock, like extreme heat to extreme cold. That's not good for any hard surface whatsoever. You know, that could be the case if it's outside, but inside you really don't need to worry about that. As far as stuff that like oils or acids, it has to be a long period of time. It has to sit in order for it to damage the quartz. So with everyday use, you know, normal cleaning, you cook dinner, you clean the countertop, you're fine with quartz. So to me, it's one of the most durable surfaces you can have in your kitchen, other than stainless steel, and who wants that? That's in that's in a restaurant kitchen. So quartz is probably the least amount of maintenance, the least amount of worry of a countertop.